gay stan skins in my opinion. Alright, so the first one is Shiro Emiya. I think I have this one. Let me. I mean, I really like it. It's really cool. This one. I gotta add another tier. This was S. This one's S as well. Dang, this thing's laggy. This one's here. Damn. Alright, I really like it, but I guess it's an A. Fuck no, bruh. I should add another tier. Dang it, bro. This thing lags. Add row below. Absolute dog shit. Just gotta line it up. Gotta make it invisible. Alright, whatever. This one's an A. This one's S. This one's an A as well. This one's here. This one's C. Okay, Devil's Moon, I think. This is really good. This is an S. This is a B. Oh, it's Eldritch. It's not horrible. I hate the stand. It's so annoying. This one, Minecraft A. What the fuck? Okay, if I would get it, I would keep it, dude. I remember a grind for White Snake that lasted months, but I got it and bruh. Yeah, I didn't get the skin though, but I got White Snake. Damn, bro, this is literally so good. See, I mean, I kind of like it. It's gonna be a B. Desert Glock with a suppressor. Actually, B. Bruh, fuck nah. C. Okay, this is literally not visible, but it's Ghost the World, so S. Fuck nah, bro. Yeah, B. It looks really weird and hard to see, but that skin's not bad. It's a hermit green, or what is it called? Whatever. Let's call it hermit green. The fucking green wines. Let's put it on A. This one's really cool. It looks like some, like when a noob gets Robux for the first time, when UGC's out. Shit, oh no, fuck. Don't reset it, please. The fuck. Oh, okay. Okay, where's the bottom? Where's the bottom of it, dude? I think it's loading. Be normal skins. I mean, yeah, these are normal. See bad skins. Every girl skin is on it. Nah, fuck no. Fuck no. Damn no. Into trades? What do you mean trades? Is this thing gonna load? Oh, okay. This skin looks like swamp shit. Oh my god, this is S. Oh, it's not lagging anymore. Let's go. Dog shit. Dog shit. S plus. S plus. Kind of like it. I really like this one. But fuck nah. I mean, at least it's not a waifu though. Oreo. Oh shit. Too much skins. This is bad. Um, this is horrible. This is fire, dude. Nerf. I wouldn't be mad if I got. I mean, I kind of would. Whatever. This looks so weird. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. I thought that was the one above all, but this one's still really good. Pinky Toes. I mean, it's not waifu. It's a girl skin, but it's actually C. I hate it. Fuck that. This is really good. This one is A. This one is a B. This one is C. I know what's coming. Gotta add one. I mean, this one's just Stone Ocean. Just the things are just like more purple. Piss Platinum. Deformed. It's. I'ma say A. Oh, this one's insane, dude. S though. Oh fuck yeah. Yeah, it's my dream, but I won't get it anyway. So yeah. Green. Oh shit. What the fuck? Fuck that. This one is fire. This one A. This one. It's just Discard Star Platinum. Nah, but damn. This one. Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. This one's bad. Ugly. Ooh, this is really good. I know every YouTuber wants Wispy Chariot, but I'm not a like insane YouTuber. But I kind of like it. Just let's push S plus. Mm, I'ma say A. Right. So I guess that is it. My whole opinion. Yeah, this is my opinion on all the skins. Wait, actually, I'ma put those. Yeah, yeah. Just make sure not miss out on any. Yeah. Uh, fuck, bruh. Actually, dog shit. Actually, see. Gotta put it in place. Like, this one was my dream. The one above all is also my dream. The retro is also my dream. This shit isn't my dream. But I won't get those anyway. Oh yeah, S plus. Shiro Miya. What the fuck is his name again? Okay, this is so horrible. Like, why did choose to make this? Like, bro, what is she doing, bro? Gotta take a zoom in. The fuck, bro? It's weird as shit. I hate this skin. I hate this skin. I hate this shit. Um, Piss Hierophant. It's just bad. Dude, this skin is literally so good. When skin trading comes out, I'ma trade Shiro and Mia for Spova, but I think I wouldn't be able to like find someone who would actually want to trade. Shiro and Mia is like a mod spec, but it's just the skin of the mod spec. Obviously, not the mod spec isn't original. Yeah. So let me just before I end the video, I wanna name all the skins. All right. What the fuck? Okay. This one, the best skin. It's really good skin. A really good skin. The fucking best skin. Best skin. Best skin. Best skin. Best skin. Best. Blah, 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 blah. All best. All right. This one's it's very good. I would want this. But yeah. Um. This one. Forgot where it is from, but it's really cool. It's just cool skin. Is that Deimos? Fuck the Deimos name. Um, name it fuck better version of KCR, like AUT KCR, bruh. Name it AUT KCR because you took that shit from them. All right. I mean, so did they take the particles. Whatever. Ghost of World. Where is it? All right. Everybody wants this. Um, I mean, wanted it. This is good, like insanely good. It's really cool. AUT, AO, Attack on Titan. Fuck that. I mean, if I can see that shit clearly, yes. If Narancia didn't die and make it into, I don't fucking know, part 6, then he would have heaven. Yeah. Now, charged Graper Queen. Fucking copied from AUT because but it's just charged Graper. Same name but without the charged shit. Minecraft. Bro, I mean, it's not bad. Okay, retro. Piss Platinum actually B. Alright. Where the fuck was I at? I was at this. This looks like when a person gets Robux for the first time that is under the age of 10. I mean, it's better than Pinky Toes, of course, bruh. This one is green. Cool. This looks like a fucking goth girl. Fucking goth alt girl with a lot of fucking earrings and spikes on her shit. Fucking dog collar. A collar of a dog whose name is literally Spike. Alright. We get over this. Yes. Fuck that shit. Deimos, fuck you. Fuck that shit. Ugly. Eldritch, I don't really like it. I mean, fuck. Okay. Green eyes, wow, so entertaining. Glock fade, yes. No silencer. Fuck. Gold experience. Over heaven. I witnessed someone get this one. I witnessed someone get Spova as well. Right, this one has a silencer, is how I remember from. I don't know how to say it, bruh. Whatever. Oreo, Nerf, OVA. When, 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 when. Okay. Stone Ocean, Star Platinum. I mean, actually pretty bad since it's just. Why the fuck did they make that? What skin? It's ugly, actually. Why the fuck? Okay. Piss. Piss. I mean, that scene could be better if Piss Platinum was beating up Hierophant Piss. Alright. Bad. So bad. It's just discolored fucking the hand. It's cracked. It doesn't even look like alternate universe. It just has black eyes as well. Ugly swamp shit. It looks like swamp shit. Some something like that. Yeah. What the fuck? This is ugly. Fucking Sonic, bro. Look at this Sonic. Look at pinky toes. Fucking pink toes. Why would you want that shit? Alright. Fucking hell, dude. That's like most worst skin ever. Like, bro, who wants a fucking gray turtle? Right, black GER. I mean, it's pretty ugly. Like, the GER skins are so bad. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Piss. Ugly, goth, motherfucker. Ew. Eldritch. Okay. Why would you even want to make this, dude? Why? What? Devs, what we're going to remind. Why the fuck would you make. Bro. You fucking ugly retard bitch. I mean, at least this isn't a waifu skin like the other ones. I mean, a lot of people simp for this shit. It's ugly. Ugly. Ugly! It's not just the fact that it's a waifu skin. This one looks so weird, and this one also looks so weird and ugly. This one is a normal waifu skin that doesn't look horrible, but it's a waifu, so fuck that shit, bro. It's so dog. Shut up. Twitter's dog shit. If you use Twitter, you are a retard. Alright, so is that it that I rate this S plus? Whatever, I didn't. This is really good. Really insane skin. This is fucking fire, dude. Just fire. I don't know what to say. Skull horse, skeleton horse, Minecraft reference. Yes, blue the world. I like it. Jade piece is really good. If I was a crazy diamond main, I would use this. If I would have got the chances to get it. Yes, jaguar. Yes, this is really good. Over heaven, bro. You wish. Man's got beat up. Whatever. Retro the world over heaven. Is it really how the retro the world over heaven looks? Cause I don't really know. I don't fucking stick with the heritage for the future. Shit. I don't fucking know. Whatever. The one above all is really good. I like how it has 3 heads, 3 horses, and some horns. They have different colors, which is cool. Yeah, I forgot this name, but whatever. It's really cool. I remember when I was just a Prestige 1 guy, I just got I just got fucking I was with like a crowd with pro players, and I just got fucking soloed by this guy right here. Whatever. Wispy Chariot. I met some people who have it, and it's really cool skin. It's just uh Silver Cherry Requiem, which hasn't loaded. Alright, it still looks cool. I remember when I got a CR, and for 1 second it looked white. My heart stopped, and I thought I got a skin, but I was just a little retard. Yeah. Okay. Mm, that's it for the video. And okay, bye.